guys, so today I will be working with Ali Pearl and we're going to be doing an unboxing. So it came with a card that has everything to do with the hair, and it also came with a stocking cap, and it did really match my skin. I really love that about that. And it also came with a silky bag. And it also came with a bendable strap to just lay your baby hairs down. Now, this is the 180 density. It also has 3 combs and it is a 13 by 4. And it's also 20 inches long. Now, this hair is really silky, and that's what I love. It actually moves when I walk, and that's what I love. Now, I did go in and bleach the knots off camera because it really took a really long time. And I also did wash the hair as well. Now, I am going to be going in and just plucking this hair. Now, I just want to just figure out if I should just go in and just pluck, or should I just leave some hairs on. I think I'm just going to just pluck till I can't pluck anymore, because I want this hair to look exactly like my hair. Like, you know, nobody can tell that this is my hair. You know what I'm saying? Nobody can tell that this is a wig, so that's just what I'm going to be doing. So I did go in and moisturize the hair just so it can get a little moist on the wig. Yeah, just so it can be a little easier for me to just go in and just pluck it. So I'm just going to be plucking away. But make sure you guys be careful, because you can get bald spots in this hair. This hair is really easy for you to just pluck bald spots in, and yeah, just be careful. This is really some really good hair. I would recommend this hair to anybody that's trying to get some nice, decent hair. And I will be getting this hair again. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed it up for you guys, just so you guys won't be bored. And yeah, I'm just gonna speed it up. So as you guys know, I am plucking my hair all the way to the scalp, because I want it to be like, I want to brush it around my ear, because I love wearing my hair around my ear. So I did go in and do that, because you know how you girls are, like when you're talking to your boyfriend or whatever, you want to brush your hair around your ear, and you just want to be cute. And yeah, you don't want to be messy, you want to be cute. So we got to make this look really decent. And I thought it wasn't going to come out right, because this is my first time plucking this hair like this, and I actually did a good job plucking this hair. So I'm just going in and just plucking it to where I can see the scalp. Now, I know that you guys are like, how did she do that? By moving the hair, not moving the hair out the way. I just go in and just examine the hair, and just, like, this is how it is. So when you pinch the wig, just look at it and see if it's enough hair to be pinched, and if it feel like it needs to be more plucked off, then you go ahead and pluck it. But just follow my routine. But this is just how I do it. I don't go in and part it because it makes it more difficult for me just parting around and doing all that. It's more easier for me just to go in and just examine the hair and just go in and just pluck whatever I need to pluck on there. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing the top and then just finishing the rest off. Yeah, we're just gonna get this done. It's coming out really, really pretty. So I just kept spraying water on it just to see if it was really working how I wanted to work, and it was going. It was getting the job done. My hands was really hurting. This took about an hour to get done. No, I actually started this here yesterday and I didn't get done to today evening, but yeah, I think this take 2 hours to do. 2 to 3 hours to pluck like this. Now I got this hair in a 20" because I really didn't want it that long. It honestly don't look like a 20. It looks like an 18" to tell you the truth. It actually looks like an 18" but I still like it. Look, my dog is finna fall off the bed. I don't know why she was so happy to be on my bed because I usually don't let her on my bed.